Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of Trip Dude. Let us taste the variety food at Avarebele Food Festival in Bangalore. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. The Avarekai Mela or Avarebele Mela is a popular food festival that celebrates the food items prepared using the hyacinth beans or avarekai. The Mela is an annual event that showcases more than 25 plus food items prepared using the avarekai. You can order the food items, get the coupons, and head to the stall particular to each item. The event was held at the National College Ground in Bengaluru for 5 days. They have divided into a VIP section and the common section. In the VIP section, you can find the sitting area and there will be less queue. The Avarebele dosa was the first item that we tried. I personally did not like the taste of this avarebele and dosa combination, but it was okay just to taste something different for the first time. Among the food items that I've tried here, I like the holige very much. The crispy bean was taste okay, but does not have much of a masala or taste. This ring-shaped Masuru belly dish tastes kind of vada. It tastes okay, but I felt like it was lacking spices, even salt was not there. The dal vada was far better compared to the other deep fried items. Due to the huge crowd and long queue for each item, the complete festival was not a pleasant one for me. And there were few minor issues at the stall and the queue because of the confusion. The jalebi, pakoda, sweet and gobi manchurian were few items that people were ordering more. The combination of ice cream plus the minor particles of avarebele makes it a different kind of taste. Apart from the food, there was stage performance, kids play area and shopping stalls available. The crowd was double during the night. The morning we had the food items from the VIP area. In the common area, the crowd was double or even triple the size of VIP area. I felt like it would have been better if management could do something to reduce the queue and waiting time to have food.
ಸೂಪರ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಂದ್ರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದ್ರಾ? ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಓ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಹಗಲಿರಲಿ ಈರುಳಿರಲಿ.
Semia and biryani was also having the avarekai. If I talk about the food items that I've tasted so far in this event, I can say like all of them were like average. None of them give a wow or exciting taste. But still, I feel like it is good to have so many food festivals in Bengaluru. Thanks for the coordinators and organizers for conducting this event. Overall, it was not a great experience for me. Do share your feedback about the event in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.